Have you ever pondered how an increase of just 1 degree Celsius could reshape the world as we know it? This is the reality of global warming, an unseen crisis that threatens to disrupt every aspect of life as we know it. The urgency of this issue is not to be understated, for the implications of this gradual heat creep are far-reaching and potentially catastrophic. Now imagine that 1 degree Celsius as a ticking time bomb, one that we've set off ourselves. So, who lit the fuse on this ticking time bomb? Well, let's pull back the curtain on the culprits. The primary contributors to global warming are the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. As we burn fossil fuels for energy, we release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise. Picture a blanket wrapping around our planet, snug and warm, but far too hot for comfort. Next, we have deforestation. Our forests are nature's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and breathing out oxygen. But when we clear these forests for agriculture or logging, we not only lose these vital carbon sinks but also release stored carbon back into the atmosphere. Finally, industrial processes. As we manufacture goods, we emit a slew of greenhouse gases. Think of factories belching out smoke, each puff adding to the invisible blanket warming our world. In essence, we are the arsonists, igniting the fuse of this global crisis with our actions. What happens when the bomb goes off? What does this global warming inferno look like? Picture this. Our oceans are swelling, creeping onto shores where they've never reached before. Rising sea levels are not just a threat to coastal cities but to entire nations. Islands in the Pacific are disappearing, swallowed whole by the sea. Meanwhile, our weather is throwing tantrums like a toddler denied candy. Hurricanes are growing more powerful. Droughts are lasting longer and heat waves are becoming hotter. These extreme weather events are not just devastating our natural landscapes but also wreaking havoc on our societies. As if that's not enough, our planet's biodiversity is taking a hit. Species are disappearing at an alarming rate, a grim reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. These changes are not just reshaping our environment, but also shaking the very foundations of economies worldwide. The aftermath is clear. A world that is less livable, less diverse, and in a state of constant, unpredictable flux. The question now is, can we defuse this bomb? Can we douse the flames we've set? Well, we've got some good news for you. Yes, we can. And it starts with each and every one of us. Imagine if we all took a step back from our daily lives and took a hard look at our energy consumption. By making small changes like switching to LED bulbs, unplugging devices when not in use, or better yet, investing in energy-efficient appliances, we could significantly reduce our carbon footprint. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We could take it a step further and start embracing renewable energy sources. How about installing solar panels on our roofs? Or perhaps exploring wind or hydro energy for our homes? These renewable sources aren't just good for our planet, they're also kinder to our wallets in the long run. And let's not forget about the power of advocacy. By lending our voices to the cause, we can influence policy and drive change at a larger scale. Let's vote for leaders who prioritize the environment, and let's support companies that are committed to sustainable practices. The power to change the course of this crisis lies in our hands. Each action, each decision, each voice can make a difference. The time to act is now.